spicy notes. The rhythm's hot, pour the spice, stir the pot. Spicy notes, one beat, one flame. Different dish, but same old game.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Spicy Notes. Today we are going to make Indian style fish fry.
And in a separate video, actually this one, we're going to make the side dish, which is broccoli based.
I'm hungry. Let's start.
So, what you're gonna need is fish. Yeah, we're using sea bream, also known as dorata, but you can use pretty much any fish you find. Then, as always, you're gonna need ginger and garlic. And then anything like paprika powder, spicy paprika powder, or curry powder, or a mix of the three. Yeah, feel free and creative to use whatever you have at home. Salt and oil, which you probably anyway have at home.
It takes 5 minutes hands-on time for preparation, and then leave it for half an hour for marination. And then again you either fry on a pan for 15 minutes or put it in the oven for half an hour to 40 minutes.
Take a bowl just small and neat, where spice and dreams are bound to meet. A spoon of paprika, deep red, and chili so you wake the dead. Curry if you want, you choose your fate. Then grate some garlic, ginger grate, a pinch of salt, a drizzle oil. Together they make the flavors boil. Stir it slowly, make it right, a paste that glows with golden light. Now call the fish, it's time to shine. A few quick cuts down every line. Rub that paste in every space. Let every inch find its embrace. Then step away, let flavor stay. Half an hour, no fast away. Now heat the pan, add oil inside. A few minutes on each side. Or oven bake if that's your style. 30 minutes, wait the while. It's done, it's ready, time to try. You just made Indian fish fry. You just made Indian fish fry. You just made Indian fish fry.
So, we hope you liked it.
And we hope you're gonna try it yourself.
And next week we are going to make either butter chicken or lamb curry.
And you are gonna decide what. We'll count the votes in the comments. So, it's up to you. But for now, enjoy your fish curry.